Hello and welcome to my channel, Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. On this channel we like to do unboxing, reviews and tests of home tech products, and that could be anything from building your own computer to installing just single components inside the computer, or connecting devices like your microphone or your monitors or your speakers, your keyboards, even electric desks that rise up and down, or even the stand for your monitors. We've done unboxing reviews and we'd like to do a lot more. Could be the camera that you're watching me through, or the tripod that fits to the camera, the lighting for the camera. We try and cover everything, even photo cameras we cover. So it's not just about computers, Amazon Fire Stick, your Kodi boxes or TV boxes, whatever you want to call them, TVs, speakers that connect to your TV, whether it be wireless or cable, networking, anything like that. We try and cover a whole spectrum of home tech. So it could be your home cinema, for instance. This is what this channel is all about. And also we like to do live streaming, and that can be anything from just coming on for the chat, having a chat with you, bit of gaming, whether it be something like poker or slot machines or Battlefield or Call of Duty, creative destruction, or even a web design game, you know, where you just load up a web page and there's a game on there. We try and not just do unboxing, but try and interact with you. And also we all like to try and help you too. So if you get stuck on anything, we try and answer as many questions as possible and help you to resolve your issues. So if this is the sort of channel you'd like to belong to, please join mine. And together we can grow and help each other. So with that, if you like this idea of joining, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And please subscribe. It's free. Thank you very much for watching.